In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to a single individual subscriber using Mailerlite's email autoresponder. This is a straightforward process, ideal for those looking to directly reach out to a specific person on their mailing list without going through an entire group. We'll break down each step, ensuring that you find it simple and effective. First and foremost, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Mailerlite's homepage. Once there, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on the Login button. If you've previously created an account with Mailerlite using your Google credentials, you can simply click on the Sign in with Google option, which is both quick and secure. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Now focus your attention on the left hand side and click on Subscribers. This is your central hub where all subscriber management happens. Within the Subscribers section, find and click on Groups. This feature helps you organize and manage your contacts efficiently. To create a new group specifically for the single subscriber you're planning to email, look for the Create Group option and click it. You'll want to name this new group something intuitive like Single Subscriber so it's easy to find later. Once you've entered the name, hit Create. Next, navigate back to Subscribers and click on Add Subscribers. Here you'll see the option to add single subscriber. Click that. Enter the email address of the person you wish to contact along with their name. Associating the subscriber with an existing group is important, so select Add an existing group and choose the single subscriber group. Once you've done that, make sure to click Add Subscriber to save the new contact. Now that you have your single subscriber added, it's time to craft your email. Return to the dashboard, locate the campaign section and click on it. Then select Create Campaign. From here, opt for the regular campaign as this type is perfect for one-off messages or updates. You'll need to fill in a campaign name and subject. Make them reflective of the content you plan to send. Afterward, click to add your recipients and choose the single subscriber group you previously created, then hit Select. Moving forward, click Next Content to start building your email. Mailerlite offers a variety of templates, so choose one that fits your message's tone and style, and then click Choose. Once the template is selected, you can edit the content to your liking, adjust colors, text, images, and more to ensure your email is both visually appealing and informative. When you're satisfied with the design, click Done Editing. The last step is to send your email, which is now perfectly crafted and directed to the subscriber of your choice. Return to the campaign overview and click Send, and there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully sent an email to a single individual through Mailerlite. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.